Well, hello friends. I have to excuse me for my voice. I have a terrible long-lasting cold. But today I'm going to unbox a watch that is kind of very special for me for several reasons, and I'm going to tell you why. I have already opened the main box because it was very tightly, very well shipped. The box was very big, and I have been like 10 minutes trying to find a way to open without damaging the cardboard box, which I'm going to keep for the future as a great, careful shipped item. Okay, now here is the watch. You know what it is because you already read it in the title of the video. I am wearing, of course, the Rolex Explorer, which has a direct relationship with this watch. This is the inner side of the shipping, and I'm going to finish opening it, and it's very well. I try to save these things for the future, so that's what I don't want to break it or anything. So I will reutilize whenever I sell something. Now, if you are familiar with the brand, this is seems to be the outer. I have seen pictures, and yes, it is a white cardboard exterior box. And yeah, of course, this is a Tudor. I thought that the box was going to be bigger, to be honest. So I think it's a reasonable size, not too big. I thought it was bigger from pictures. Now, let's see what is inside. No surprise there. Okay, this is protected by this. Now the shield logo. I kind of like it, this logo. Now, let's retire the boxes. Okay, it comes with papers and everything. That's great. It's always good to have. This is from a gentleman from France. I got it with a very reasonable price, and I usually don't negotiate much in those cases. So now this is the actual box of the watch, and to surprise of nobody, yeah, here it is, finally in my hands. Now let's try to be careful. Now this is wrapped here. Oh, it's already moving. What time? It's actually on time. Only like 5 seconds. Yeah, around 5 seconds faster than this one. But pretty much on time. It was sent very quickly. So probably it was all wind up, and since this has 70-hour power reserve, it's still ticking, so I don't need to adjust it or anything. Now this I'm going to save. This is okay, this is the warranty card. Great. Keep it here. So this is the watch, finally. Before I try it on, I'm going to, it's a little bit dirty. Okay. Before I try it on, I'm going to see what's in here. Spare links. Oh, yeah, the half link. That is great, because it said that this watch, for certain people, they need this half link. Although it has a quick adjust system, that we'll check it. We will check it right now. Okay. Okay, then Oh, I forgot, in the box there was already also this fabric strap that I really like. The same day that I saw this watch at the ID back 2 years ago, I really like this strap. So in this occasion, this watch comes also with this, which is great, because so I don't have to, I have it, I don't have to buy it separately, because they seem to be quite expensive. I'm leaving that there. And now this is the big moment. Well, the thing is that when I was thinking about something to have, because I wanted the Rolex Explorer. My Grail watch is the Rolex Explorer 1016, but I am not going to ever be able to have it. And even if I had, I would be scared to death to wear such an expensive watch in the wild. But back in the day when I was searching for something similar to a Rolex, but not being as expensive, I hope that in 2021, the Tudor Ranger was going to be again for sale with a different size. But they didn't do this after 1 year later. They instead released the 36mm Rolex Explorer that I am wearing. And I don't know if it is focusing. Something's not working all right with the camera. No. So I finally, as you know from the channel, I had the opportunity to get it because I had some savings and we sold a small property that we had, so I got the Explorer. But lately I'm having doubts about if I should keep it or not because of, well, yeah, you have seen the video. But yes, I really love this watch. But the next year, when I heard about this, I ran immediately to the ID when they received the first one. I was watching it, I almost ordered it, but I had second thoughts and decided to wait because I already have the Explorer, so this was maybe way too much or way too similar. But what's the problem is, this watch never left my imagination. Every time I saw it in pictures, I wanted to have it. I have been traveling to several cities and I have been, trying it at the IDs and never sure about if having it or not. So I finally decided to get it and try it along with the Explorer and to see either if both fit in the collection or if I keep one of them, if I sell both of them, I don't know. The idea is to have them along. It would be great if I could be able to afford to have them both in the collection, but that probably will not be the case because that's way too much. But if not, which one will stay, the Explorer or the Tudor? From what I'm seeing right now, the first impression that I have is that although similar, I think they are two very different creatures. Let's see if I can move around. Yeah. I think they are very different creatures. Maybe the best thing I can do is to take the Explorer off so I can have a better comparison. Well, as you see, the Tudor Ranger is 39mm, is much bigger. You can tell the difference. And the Explorer is, 36mm. And this has this polished bezel that what I see is a little bit scratched. And this one is, everything is brushed from where I see. Maybe here's a small polishing here in the chamfer, but I don't know. But on the other side, this has a kind of a more vintage vibe to the dial and the glass here. Yeah, very nice. I really like it. This looks more like a pure tool watch, like a real adventure watch. I think I will have to compare this with the Trasca. Well, three of them, three watches would be a great comparison. Let me know if you want to know about this. If you want me to make a video about a comparison with the Explorer, the Ranger, and the Samatier, which I believe there are three amazing watches. And I also can add the Alpinist. So I have like kind of three iconic watches, and the Samatier, which I think is a real huge contender in this segment of watches. Now I'm going to put it on. Enough talking. I'm sorry. Now here I have this on. I think it looks good on me, doesn't it? Yeah. It's a little bit loosened. So this watch has the T-fit. Finally something, here it is, T-fit. I'm going to put it all the way down. Let's see if this fits. Now that's perfect for me. That's the perfect spot. I don't think I'm going to need the half link, but maybe it's good to have it in the winter. Maybe in colder months it would be better to have the half link instead of one of the full ones. I like the way it looks. I can feel it way more than the Explorer. The Explorer is more substantial. The Explorer is less substantial. You don't notice that you are wearing it, but this one, you feel that you have a watch on, but still very comfortable so far. Well, so far it's only like 30 seconds. That's not a big experience, but I'm going to try it for a few weeks, and I will do that. I will try it for a few weeks alongside with the Explorer, and I will take it to the mountain. I have already decided not to take this one to the mountain because of how expensive it is to repair in case that something goes wrong. But this one looks like it can take some beating, and it's not going to be scratched so easily, or at least it won't be as noticeable to any scratches. It's basically new. It has might have some hairlines marks, but basically it's very much pristine. So I will have to check accuracy, wearability, versatility, how it works in the mountain, as I said, and in every day. And I will hopefully make that comparison. Let me know if you want other watches to be in the same comparison. Maybe 3-4 watches would be more than enough. And we'll see you in another video. Bye bye. Thank you very much.